mixing your penalty killers so much.
Okay, Ray, thank you. Steps between the circles. Great stick there. Waffle boarding. He takes that one right ahead. Good pass. The Red Hawks start to rush up ice.
I like high event games. This start is very low event. Not very much happening. No shots, no chances.
Linköping's got it back in their own zone. Could be trouble near the line. Couldn't get through there. Has it back deep. The Red Hawks wheel one ahead up the wing. He recollects it. Good solid defensive play there. Sliced through the net.
He was trying to be a little bit too fine there. That's why he missed the net.
The Red Hawks up the wing lug the puck. Back and forth they go between the points. Oh, great save there. Not much room to work, but he got a good shot away.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Good job with the stick. The Red Hawks continuing on along the boards. And the pickup. In the defensive zone, pressing on. Gains the blue line. Fires! Outstanding save with a glove. A little under 8 minutes to go. Nothing on the scoreboard has changed. Still a pair of zeros. Clean win on the draw. The Red Hawks with possession of their own side. He gains the zone. Around through the corner right now. Linköping's looking to head man up the wing. Great poke check. The Red Hawks are moving the puck in their own end. Tries to get it on net. Puck covered, whistle blown.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Solid, clean win. Takes that pass that was just slipped. Oh, here's a wrister. No! He scores!
No hesitation at all. He fired home that wrist shot.
Well, Edzo, I don't know how he could do much more than this. He tried to make a dramatic glove stop. That's all he had left, but the puck beats him pretty cleanly.
Linköping's been able to break the scoreless tie, but can they build on this? Face-off win, and now what will they do with it?
By number 13,
onside.
number 40, and by number 46,
Shoots just wide of the post.
4 seconds.
And he shoots one. Not through. He missed the net. Poke check gets it back. They battle on up the... Nearing the final minute. The Red Hawks lug the puck in center ice. Gains the zone. Fires. Oh. Let's go, a wrister. Gloved. "20 minutes have been played here, and played pretty hard, so a rest is deserved. They'll have it now. Only 1 goal scored, and 2 periods yet to go."
Look for our food donation boxes located throughout the concourse.
The difference in the game is just one goal, and it came late in that period. Will it springboard to something more in the second? We'll see, but for now, we go to break. One period played, a second period is about to begin. What do you think of what we've seen so far?
The Redhawks are down in this game, Doc, and rightfully so. They did not manage the puck at all. If they want to get back in that game, they got to eliminate those turnovers.
Gains the zone. Shot on. Grabbed.
You can't ask for a better opportunity in the scoring zone.
Play. Good use of the stick. Broke that pass up. Nice pass right up the gut. From the outside. Oh, stick save. Making progress up the boards. Lets a shot go. Corral. He's in his own end of the ice now. And what's up? Loose puck. Solid defensive play there. Shoots one. Save. That puck's loose. A good defensive play. Back to the point. Not through. Gets in. What'll he do? Gonged away.
Yeah, you heard it. It hit him right in the mask.
Terrific point-blank save. Look at this chance. The Redhawks with possession up the wing. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. You can almost count that one, but no, what a save. On the outside, a shot. He got his glove on that one. Stays on side to the middle with a strong wrist shot. Shooter got a glove grab.
That's a good stop for the goaltender to make on the odd man rush, but the shooters have to be better than that.
Old face-off work. The Redhawks carrying on along the boards. Shoots one. Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending. Shot.
Gustafson's save is a good one. Another odd man rush.
Big face-off win. Went to the backhand. Puck loose, now picked up. Chip to Roy. Fires a shot. Paddled aside.
Been a long time since this wasn't the garden variety stop for a goalie. Down in the butterfly, turned aside.
Quick work on the faceoff. A shot. Gloved that one, but it came out. Lin Ping's continuing on up the wing. Puts one on. Score! He got the post with that one.
That shot was really hard, Doc, but where he put it was more impressive to me.
Man, that's got to be frustrating from the goaltender's perspective. You're in the right spot. You think you have the net covered, but there's just an inch or two that you don't have, and it's off the post.
Here in the second period, do they start to play it a little conservative, or do they go at him and try and make this three right away? Mashed in. Free puck off defender. That roadblock was set up. Gets in. The Redhawks carrying it on in neutral ice. And he dumps it in. And it's a good pickup. Sends to the point. Shoots. Outstanding save with a glove.
The goalie gave him the glove side, and he took it away. What a stop.
The Red Hawks carrying it along the boards. Can't get a shot on it. Not a free puck now. Lin Shoping's in possession as they move up the wing. Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near it.
Sometimes you got to be in good position just to make the stop, but you also got to be lucky. This puck changes direction and ends up hitting the goaltender more than he stops it.
Good clean win on the draw. Perfect tip by the stick. The Red Hawks in their own end lug that puck along. His defensive end to get it.
1 minute left.
Stays along the boards. Oh, and he robbed him. Lin Shoping's lugging it along the side. Carried to the corner by Larson. And another save. Blocked away. That's 2 periods in the books. 1 more to go, but a rest comes first.
Don't forget to check out tonight's game highlights, post-game analysis, player interviews, and vlogs on our team website. New content is added daily.
Lin Shoping's strength has been in goal scoring, and this one gave them a 2-goal lead. That's the one they enjoy right now. We'll have more in a moment.
Elmo's still alive, Doc, after 40 minutes of play. They're down, but not. They need to clean up their own defensive zone and then look to get a lucky bounce to get back in this game.
Gains the zone and looks over his options. And shifting gears. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Drives down the wing at center. Has that point pass as well. A broken stick on the ice.
That's what I call a wardrobe malfunction.
And he steps across the line. Directed on. Oh, and he missed the net.
You have to give yourself a chance here. You cannot blow this puck past the net.
Pass cut. Strong play. Lin Shoping's in control of the puck up the wing. Glides across. The pass is off the mark. What a chance that would have been. To the front. Picks it up back there. Lin Shoping's in their own end, and they've got it. Into the attacking end. He had a great chance, but he has just missed the net.
I don't see too many guys getting away of blocking that shot. That thing had some heat on it.
Terrific challenge, outstanding save.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you got to find a way to put the puck in the net.
Lets it go. Wonderful save.
Gustafson's far and away been the best player in this hockey game. He has faced an inordinate amount of shots in this contest, stopped just about everything, and as a result, he's got to be the first star as his team is leading this game.
The Red Hawks want to generate something up the wing. He's got that pass at the point. Got a piece of it. Right there on the money, the left wing pass. A shot. Wonderful save. And the net comes loose, so play is halted.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Offside stops the clock. Under 9 minutes left to go. 2 goals have been scored, both by one team. And they've won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. Ooh, saved by the wire of the mask.
That's what we call a purpose shot.
Shoots one. Oh, he got that. Puck fired down. Decision
To
making.
score in a 2-on-1, guys, you've got to attack much quicker than that. Easy save.
Quick work on the faceoff. Good defensive play. Loose puck, though. Strong play. Good reach. The Redhawks lug that along in the defensive zone. Taken to the corner by Roy. Padded away. Muscled long to Billings. The Redhawks continue to probe up the wing. Goalie to the bench, arm still in the air. Substitution made. Whistle blown, play stopped. The referee will hand out a penalty. Lin Xiaoping's given a minor here for tripping.
This is an easy call for the official, Doc. The player made no attempt to play the puck and just tripped up the attacking player.
The Redhawks get their first power play of the game, and it is big. They win the draw. Now can they get it out?
2 minutes for tripping. Time
Lin Xiaoping's continuing to probe up the wing. Through the corner. The scrum to the plexiglass. Nicely received at the point. Strong defensive play. Good defensive work there. Gets across, looks over his options. Blue line control. Gives it over to the point. That play goes offside. It's a face-off win. May not seem important in that territory, but they have possession. The Redhawks power play let them down at a key point.
Coaches always talk about make it as difficult as you can for the opponent. And that means stay out of the penalty box. Every time they take a penalty, they make it a little easier for their opponent to climb back into the game.
Lets it go. Nearly grazed the iron on that.
Here's one of those times where you look at the net and there's nothing there. That's where you just got to shoot for the center of the net.
The Redhawks looking to head man up the wing. Goalie pulled, net empty, save. Good hustle, won the race, beat the icing. Net empty. Oh, and he misses. And that's an offside. They've won the faceoff. Target with that one.
Having a heavy shot like that is great, but you got to hit the net.
Marvelous save. No time on that one.
Not often you're all alone.
There he goes. Net empty. Let's take a chance here, they're saying. And that's the end of this one. The game has ended. On the scoreboard, this was a loss. In other areas, well, they have to feel decent.
Well, you can build off of the stats when it comes to winning faceoffs. They did that, but they did not result in a win.
So the teams have left the ice and are getting rested for next time. For this time, for Eddie and Ray, Mike Emmerich saying good night.